there, Sister Sanya.
Sanya, introduce that again.
To meet you first. Also to see you as well as of course. Tell me about them. No, tell me about team.
Tell the team. One by one.
He is a little hunter, her son, Rohit, and very much people there. She brought a hotel.
From Itanagar.
He's a chef who shared the testimony.
Good. Powerful.
He's a very good.
Wonderful thing.
Takuya did this one of partner also. Very volunteer, active volunteer also. He was one. And Africa also active volunteer. Yeah.
So Jana who shared the testimony.
Thank you.
What book?
Thank you. Marine Tundi. Yeah. What a volunteer.
Helping the prayer.
Yes.
She is here, sister, or
Like
not?
from Itanagar also.
First time.
Oh,
She only got it from the school.
wonderful. Nice. Glad you could get
Propose mommy. Brother propose our interest mommy.
मैं क्लिक कर दे रहा हूँ बाद में सिस्टर मैं ले रहा हूँ
She's one of the partner also, active partner volunteer. Yeah, Yanya Mai. And Suraj Top. One of partner also. His father very much was interested in our ministry. Taga Yamini.
his father.
Yeah, his
Minister
father.
Father. So, for a long time he's an Itanagar.
No, village.
But never missed to donate the partnership donation. Father regularly करता है. Praise the Lord.
We have PhD in medical ticket. Came for volunteer for.
Wonderful, thank you.
Tapak Parang. Also a partner. Came from my same district. And then still from my same district also. One of the active partner also. Volunteer also.
You like Tom or Jerry? You like Tom or Jerry?
Jerry. Tom को पसंद है ना जेरी को पसंद है.
Wonderful, thank you.
My name is Vishnu Amkar.
You're helping out.
Yeah. Came for volunteer and lead prayer also.
Okay.
There actually came for prayer.
Brother Jovin, he is from Rohini. So he just helped us to doing business to drop our stuff to airport. He came up. Businessman, but he spared his time. Send
We
petrol
can
pump.
be relieved. You're taking care of thank you.
Please come online and have a prayer on the Lord.
Just wanted to thank you today and see you all before I end. You're so precious, committing your time and all your energy this whole weekend.
मैं बहुत धन्यवादी हूँ आप बहुत हेल्प की मैं बहुत धन्यवादी और आभारी हूँ आपने हमें मदद किया
Others are all enjoying the weekend, but you have spent it for Jesus.
बाकी लोग वीकेंड में आनंद ले रहे थे मगर आप लोग यीशु के लिए समय दिया
I'm so glad that we could be a blessing to the people of Roing and the surrounding parts.
हम बहुत खुश हैं कि रोहिन के आसपास के लोगों के लिए आशीष का कारण बने
This is the first meeting anybody has had in a big scale here.
ये पहला मीटिंग है इतना बड़ा मीटिंग किसी ने किया है
For many people, this is the first time they're hearing about Jesus.
कई लोग पहली बार प्रभु यीशु के बारे में सुना,
and this is the first time they're receiving the Spirit of God.
पहली बार पवित्र आत्मा को रिसीव किया।
So it's a great investment that we have all made,
बहुत बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट हम लोगों ने बनाया है।
that they are going to become mighty people.
कभी वो लोग सामर्थ्य लोग बन जाएंगे,
Heaven is going to rejoice over us,
स्वर्ग हमारे ऊपर आनंद मनाएगा
and your names are going to be written in this account.
और आपका नाम उसके अकाउंट में लिखा रहेगा।
Even the little work you did, the Lord is so pleased.
छोटा सा काम आपने किया, परमेश्वर को हर्षित है।
Giving water to somebody,
किसी को आपने पानी पिलाया,
it all contributes to bringing the gospel to them and showing love to them.
ये सारा बात सुसमाचार प्रचार किया, उनको प्रेम दिखाया।
People have felt so loved and taken care of when they have come to see Jesus.
लोगों को प्यार मिला जब लोगों ने प्रभु यीशु के साथ मुलाकात करने के लिए आया।
They have seen how Jesus is through the actions that you have done.
आपके माध्यम से प्रभु यीशु कैसे उनको दिखाई पड़ा।
If we treat them harshly, they will think Jesus is like this only. Look at his people.
अगर गलत तरीका से पेश आएंगे, उनको लगेगा यीशु भी ऐसा ही है, कैसे लोग हैं ये लोग।
But you have taken care of them with love.
आपने प्रेम से उनके साथ बर्ताव किया है।
You have spent time in preparing in prayer for this meeting,
इस मीटिंग के लिए आपने बड़ा प्रार्थना किया,
and that has brought a great release to just freely speak the message and pray.
उसकी वजह से मैं बहुत फ्रीली मैसेज दिया और प्रार्थना किया।
In some places I have felt so tight because there is no prayer back.
कई कई जगह में बड़ा सताव महसूस किया, प्रार्थना नहीं था।
I have to battle on the stage to preach.
मुझे प्रचार करने के लिए स्टेज में लड़ाई करना पड़ता है।
But you have all made it a very open platform.
आपने प्रार्थना करके बिल्कुल खोल दिया इसको।
So together let's reap the rewards and thank the Lord, and that is our joy in our heart.
आइए साथ साथ मिलकर परमेश्वर की कट्टी को काटे, वो हमारे लिए आनंद की बात है।
We can never get this joy if we are working and accumulating for ourselves.
हम खुद के लिए काम करेंगे तो आनंद हमें कभी नहीं मिलेगा।
We have spent for the blessing of people and for the Lord to move in a mighty way.
परमेश्वर को मूव करने के लिए, लोगों की आशीष के लिए समय को हमने गुजारा है।
Just like the disciples prepared the people to come in the mountain and receive them and for Jesus to flow.
जैसे चेलों ने पर्वत में लोगों को लाया था कि यीशु सबको आशीष दे।
You have made all the preparations for Jesus to come and bless them.
आपने यीशु के लिए सारा तैयारी किया था कि वो आके आशीष दे।
So I pray that all the rewards will come upon you in a mighty way as you go back.
मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ जब चले जाएंगे सारे आशीष आपके ऊपर उतर आएगा।
You will see greater miracles happening in your lives,
अपने जीवन में अद्भुत चमत्कार को आप देखेंगे
and we will receive testimonies from you.
और आपसे दावे को हम पाने वाले हैं।
And continue to be a blessing like this.
लगातार ऐसे आशीष का कारण बनते रहिए।
So Itanagar Prayer Tower, especially in your hands.
दिनकर प्रार्थना भवन आपके हाथ में है।
There's very little that we as Dinakarans can do.
हम दिनकर में बहुत कम काम किए उसके ऊपर।
We are praying for it,
हम इसके लिए प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं,
but you have to do the action.
लेकिन आपको सारा काम करनी है उधर।
It is your prayer tower,
ये आपकी प्रार्थना भवन है,
a place to pray and bring blessing upon the people of Itanagar and Arunachal.
एक ऐसा स्थान है ईटानगर और अरुणाचल के लोगों के लिए आशीष का कारण बन जाएगा।
So continue to be involved and support and stand with us in this.
लगातार जुड़ रहे, हमारी मदद करते रहे आप।
Let's reach out also to the schools to bring young children in
हम स्कूल में जाके जवानों को हमारे साथ लाएं।
to connect and